Can you imagine a world where your car knows you better than you know yourself? This may sound like science fiction, but it's the reality we're moving towards with the integration of artificial intelligence in the automotive industry. This technology is not just gaining attention, it's accelerating at an unprecedented pace, promising to revolutionize the way we drive. Think about a driving experience tailored to your unique preferences and habits. AI learns and adapts to your individual behavior, whether it's your penchant for taking the scenic route home or your need for that morning coffee stop. It's like having a personal chauffeur that not only knows your route, but also understands you. The benefits extend beyond just convenience. AI can enhance safety by predicting and mitigating risks based on your driving style and environment. Imagine a world where road accidents are a rarity rather than a daily occurrence. This is no longer a far-off vision of the future, but a reality that is being shaped by AI technology today. Take, for example, Tesla, the electric car manufacturer, which is leading the charge in AI-driven vehicles. Tesla's autopilot system is a fascinating case study in the application of artificial intelligence in the automotive industry. It's a system that's designed to make your driving experience safer and more convenient, and it's all powered by artificial intelligence. What makes this system unique is its ability to learn from the driving habits of thousands of Tesla drivers worldwide. Every time a Tesla vehicle hits the road, it collects data. This data isn't just about the car's performance, it's about how the driver operates the vehicle, how they react to different traffic situations, and how they navigate through different types of roadways. This is where the magic of AI comes into play. Tesla's AI algorithms analyze this data and use it to continually improve the autopilot system. For example, if the system notices that most drivers slow down when approaching a particular kind of intersection, it will learn to do the same. In essence, each Tesla is part of a global learning network, sharing and learning from the experiences of